Welcome back. In today's quick and practical tutorial, I'll show you how to fix a Google form that's no longer accepting responses. If your form isn't working, even after checking the settings, don't worry, the solution is simple. It only takes 2 steps. Open your Google form and head to the Responses tab. That's step 1. Check the toggle. Make sure it's set to Accepting Responses. If it's off, flip it on and test it. If it's already on and still not accepting responses, let's move to step 2. Open a new tab and go to google.com. Why? We're checking your Google Drive storage. Click the Google Apps icon, the grid in the top right, then select Drive. If your form is rejecting responses, it might be because your storage is full. Scroll down and check how much space you have left. If it's low, free up some room by deleting old files or get more storage through Google One. Then head back to your form and test it again. Send a response and see if it goes through. And that's all there is to it. Just 2 simple checks can get your form working again. If this helped you, feel free to share your feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.